Here at Murphy Road Animal Hospital, we value our customers. We strive to make your pets feel like family when they come to visit us. We offer a variety of services at our facilities such as pet wellness, dentistry, medical assessments, diagnostics, surgical services, and dermatology. We also offer boarding services and a doggy daycare. Although we take walk-ins, you can call and schedule your appointment at any time. What makes us different from other animal hospitals is we treat your pets as our own. Every appointment is personal, and we want what is best for your pet. Next time your pet needs a medical checkup, stop on by or make an appointment at Murphy Road Animal Hospital, 972-496-4126. We're located on Murphy Road in Sachse between Highway 78 and Campbell Road, also known as Blackburn.